para sa pangarap, para sa ekonomiya. Yay! Mga kapama, punta tayo ng bulol na ko. Punta tayo ng dentist today and tonight, magdi-dinner tayo with Beshi, but I don't know if yeah, I'm quite scared of the dentist. I just don't like going to the dentist. But, well, we have to trust our doctor. So, punta tayo ng dentist. Then, tonight, kakain tayo with Beshi. If kaya kong kumain. If not, punta pa din tayo kay Beshi. Bye! We are now here. In front of us is the Galleria. Tapos, dito po yung dentist natin. Ay, hindi ko pagali. Ila ko pagali. I forgot. Naikaila ko ang door. Ikaw na lang malak. Let's go. Let's say hi. Hi. Anniversary sa office, but I cannot take a photo because kita nyo, mangyana ako niya, you know, mangyana ako niya face. It's starting to make out na, nagmamagana siya. But then, yun, the only thing I could do right now is take a bath para maganda tayo. Tapos, yeah, I'll update you on Sunday kasi tatanggalin na yung tahi natin sa tomorrow. I'll bring it tomorrow kasi mag-audition tayo. Hi! Wish me all the best. Wish me all the best pag-upload ko dito. Tapos naman ang ako audition. But you'll be going to an audition for a film. Yeah! I'm so excited. Sana makapagsalita ako ng maayos bukas. Alright, bye-bye. Digo na. Let's wash our hands. We are now on our way for the audition. I'm so excited. We are now here. I'm so scared. Pero kakayanin natin to. Kaya mo to pa nga. Let's do this. Hi! How are you? Hello po! Hi! Gani, kamusta? Buhay-buhay si mama? Hi! Shortlisted kita. Actually, this is an instant vlog. Kakapunta ko lang sa dentist. That's why I don't really look good. And I'm hesitant to speak to you. But then, yung makakapagpalabas lang sa akin sa bahay ay pagkain. So I'm here doing this vlog because yeah, we got food. Let's bite small para hindi ma-damage yung ating ngipin. Tama ba? Hey, good morning. Tadlong na akong panga. Tapos, yesterday, I went to my dentist and things are going well. So, I got to rest na lang may panga for the next week, but it's gonna be okay. And I gotta be back for vlogging. Thank you so much to my model yesterday. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. See you on my next, pakas ko pa naman na di may duwa pa kung kinanglan pa operahan. But next year. So tiring to be sick. Bye-bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspire!